Hi guys, today I'm doing a sound for my friend Strabby, and because I don't think she uploaded it, so I'm sorry if you did. I'm just doing my own. Also guys, I'm making a mod, so y'all can comment if you want to be in my mod. Okay, let's go into BandLab and search up Marimba. Oh my gosh, my keyboard. Marimba. And I'm gonna start working on the sound, so it's your choice if you want to keep doing it. Watching it, I mean. So right now I'm seeing what I should be doing, what I want to do with the sound. Wait, that sounds like a notification. That sounds like a notification. I'm trying to make it layered so it would sound good. I don't know. It's good right now. Yeah, this is really hard. Let's try again. Oh my gum. Okay, it's not bleeding. It's doing good. Actually, let's just not layer it. Let's try again. That was a fail. Now guys, the recording went out. So now that we've recorded it, I'll go to the start and try to edit it in the third tab, right where the recording button is. Let me just listen to it. I see a mistake, which is a few pauses in the end. Don't know what the green guitar is though. Oh yeah, I need to fix that. Let's put these two there and see the results. Oh, that part is not good. Towards the end is a tiny pause, which doesn't sound right. Oh my gosh, go back. Listen to it. Yeah, that's not good. Need to change it. Will that work? I wonder if I'm doing that would work. No. Let's just remove that. You know what? No, let's just add that one back. We'll just close it. Let's see. Just the tiniest gap. still doesn't sound right. Irrelevant though? Oh my gosh, wait, what? Wait, I was just gonna tell you something. So like irrelevant, but I could do the AI voice. See? Hi guys. Today we're going to do some random doing good, like oh yes, yes. So bye, shout out to Strabby.